There you go. It's going.
Hi, I'm Allie.
Hello, I'm Holly.
Steve.
We are in our mom's car. Well, it's actually her mom, but it's basically my mom.
You're not.
And
it's not your mom.
Pretty much.
Yes,
It's the same thing.
Same thing.
It's not the same thing.
But we are going to sing Bad Lip Reading Seagulls. Yeah. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head. Not fun. I said seagulls. Stop it now. Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come poke me in the coconut. And they did. And they did. And we going like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids start laughing. And then I got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? Better run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Run, 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 jump. Now stop, put me down. I love to groove and boogie, yeah. Show you some dance moves, no I don't want you to. If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds. You're a psycho wiener, let me grab my beater. Stop it please, don't hit me.
That face though.
Don't hit me. Come on, man, quit that banging. Hey, what's that stank? You put a fish in our basket. Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that. You owe me an apology. Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will bite your face. Yeah. Better run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift rocks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump. Now breathe. Let's go. One day I was walking and I found this big log. When I rolled the log over, there was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, man, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder while you're lying there screaming, come help me please. The seagulls poke your knees. Stop it now. Yeah, sort of pitchy.
You didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep.
Don't fall asleep. Yeah. Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Anything else to say?
No.
Okay.
Steve.
Steve, goodbye.
Okay. Am I done now?
Yeah.